Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech2. You have heard of Google Veo 3 and Kling 2.0, but what if I told you there is an AI video tool that's not only competing with them, it's actually outperforming them. Say hello to Helio Video 02. The groundbreaking text-to-video AI that's shaking up the entire industry. Ranked number 2 on the artificial analysis leaderboard, Helio has officially surpassed big-name models like Veo 3 and Kling, and for good reasons. With 85% prompt following accuracy, it turns even the most complex ideas into visually stunning scenes. The motions super realistic. It delivers cinematic lighting, beautiful composition, and supports up to 1080p HD resolutions, giving you up to 6 seconds and supports up to 1080p HD resolution. It's 2.5x faster, trained on 3x more parameters, and offers the lowest cost per second among all top-tier AI video models. Once you are on the home page, you will notice a prompt input box. This is where you will type the idea or description for your video. If you are unsure what to write, don't worry, there are sample prompts available to help you get started. Click on the video tab to begin. One of the most exciting tools under this section is image to video. This allows you to upload a single picture and transform it into a dynamic video. So upload your image. This will serve as the base for the video. Then enter a detailed prompt. Here you will also find camera control. This is a powerful tool that offers a range of cinematic shot options such as debut, freedom, left circling, left walking, upward tilt, right walking, downward tilt, and more. You also have the free selection tool where you can manually direct the camera, moving it left or right, zooming in or out, or adjusting the tilt. It gives you full creative control over how each scene is framed. Next, you need to choose a video generation model. Make sure to select Helio 02. It is the most advanced and capable option. After choosing the model, you need to pick the video resolution and length. You can go with 1080p resolution. Once everything is set, click generate and let the platform work its magic. Within moments, your video will be rendered. The final result will leave you amazed. The AI translates your image and prompt into a moving scene that looks straight out of a professional production. So to show you how versatile the platform is, let's go ahead and create another video. I will upload a new image and write a different prompt. Then I will choose the same model, set my desired resolution and length, and click generate. Once again, the outcome is incredible. The attention to detail, motion clarity, and lighting are simply stunning. But it's not limited to videos. You can also use it to generate high quality images. These images can later be used to create animated videos, giving you full creative flexibility in your storytelling process. Now let's talk about text to video feature. This function does not require an image. Instead, you just describe what you want to see in the prompt box. You can enhance the result even further by adding camera directions to your prompt like zooms to match your desired cinematic feel. After that, choose the video model, quality settings, duration, and the number of outputs you want. Just click the generate button and the platform will start making your video. The result is amazing. The way everything moves looks super smooth and real. The video has a movie-like quality, almost like it was made by a professional team and with the expensive cameras and equipment. Now let's explore one of the most powerful features of Helio 02, the subject reference tool. This is a game changer if you want to maintain a consistent character across multiple videos. So upload an image of the character you want to keep consistent, type your video prompt, click generate. The AI uses your reference image to preserve the character's appearance, expression and style, even across different video scenes. So you can use it multiple times with the new prompt. Just like that, the video is generated with the same character and everything looks seamless and highly polished. This makes it easy to create a whole series of videos featuring the same subject, which is perfect for storytelling, branding or even animation project. So I think it's one of the most advanced and efficient tools for AI generated video content, whether you are creating videos from text, images or using the powerful subject reference feature. The results are consistently cinematic, sharp and visually stunning. And the best part is, new users get 500 bonus credits. If you want to try it yourself, just follow the link in the description. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.